Hello and welcome to day 12 of Christmas Planning Made Easy. Today I wanted to talk about Christmas cards. If you're not sending them, if you've already decided you're not going to do them this year, then you have a free pass and I hope to see you in another video. What I tend to do with Christmas cards is I just have a printed list. Occasionally I update it and just cross off names of people I don't send to anymore or add the odd new person on. We don't always send them. I think because I'm cutting down on the presents this year, I probably will perhaps send a few more cards than I would have done. So yeah, this is a simple day today. Just review the list, decide if you are going to send them, decide who you're going to send to. Then all I'm going to do today is I was just double checking that we have enough cards. I'm going to check whether I need any stamps, and anything that's missing I'm going to add to my errand list, or actually I'll probably ask my husband to pick them up on his way home from work one day. And that's it for today. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye. Let's just double check that we've got enough cards. These are some really mature ones.